So we've built up the project up to this point. So let's just save it here and then go to the file and new family. Again, we'll search for line based here, which has already been really helpful to us. Open it up. All right, there we go. And after that, we go to the new family again. And from here, we'll select the metric profile that we've created. Open this too. So what we're making is actually this. In the picture, you can see we've already created the area surrounding it. And now we want to create this part, which is our plate structure. And so in order to do so, we'll go to the Revit file, and then we'll select reference, and then we'll create a line here, and then another one here, and then this one as our height. So this one is H. Then we'll go here and then equalize this two like this, and the EQ pops up. So this one is L. Let's open up the parameter properties. There we go. This one's going to be H. It doesn't necessarily have to be H or L, but I'm more comfortable this way. And then we'll go here and select line, and then draw from here to here and then here. And then, yeah, there we go. There we go. So then I'll select the measurement and then click on here and here. So let's see what we should name these ones. This one I'll name L2. Then press OK here. Looks good here. And the rest of them is thickness. Therefore, we'll go here and draw this, and then connect this one, and then draw this one as well. We'll select all of these and then put them under the name T. So now I'll go to the family type and give them the exact dimensions that we want. So here for H, we should have 17. Then for L, we have 45. After that, L2 has to be 5. And then thickness has to be 0.8 of a millimeter. Okay. Then I save it. And then I'll name it the same as the other ceiling file that we have here. Let's just change this to C. So we have ceiling C shape. So save and then load into family. All right. And here we go. I think I may have made a mistake. I shouldn't have loaded up in this project. So let me go here and look for the profiles that we have here. Open up the profiles, and then from here the ceiling file. All right, select this and then delete it. After that, I just have to open up the family again, and after that I'll load it again, but it's time to this family. I think last time I checked both of the boxes. All right, so we go here and then select sweep and then pick path, click on this, and then ceiling profile from here. All right, after this, we just finish. So now we've created our piece here. Let's just select it and we'll give it its parameters. So let's see if we should add the material. Before we do so, open up the family category and parameters menu and select structural framing. And then select the section shape and put it on C profile with lips. So the material here needs to be steel. All right. And then, so the material here is fine itself and we don't need to change it. After that, here I'll select the subcategory. Let's see, it's okay for now. And then we go to the profile, open it up, a new parameter, and name it h underlines distance, put it under instance, and then save. So okay, here, and then we go and make another parameter and name this one v underline distance, put it on instance as well, and then okay. We don't necessarily need to make these, but we'll just do them for now just to be sure. One last one I added was angle, and after that open it up and create another one, and we'll name this one flip underline profile. Okay, so we go to the family types again and select the material from the material browser that we have here. I'll just search for steel. Let's see, or we'll just search for metal instead. Let's see if we can find anything that's helpful. All right, I'll select this one and add it. So check the use render appearance, then okay, and then apply, and then okay again. Save. So let me see which one I should save it as. Let's save it as the C-shaped ceiling. Oh, we do have ceiling C-shape here, so just save it as C-shaped ceiling linear. And then save in here. And there it is. All right. And after we've done this, we'll go here and load into project and close. So here, pull this to the top view, and per each 60 centimeters, we have to draw one right here. So select the face, and then one here, and then another one. Then select measure, and it goes from here to here, and then here. Then equalize, and then put the scale to 1:25. After that, put the equality display on value, and after that I can select the trim, and using the multiple option, select this one as the limit and join these two to it. Then we go here and select this one as the boundary, and then we'll join these two lines to it. So using this tool, we can speed up the process significantly. Then we go here, select structure framing, and then place on face, and then draw one here, 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 and then we'll just keep drawing these for a maximum of 10. And this isn't really based on any dimensions, it's just about something of an estimate. After we've done that, we'll go here and then select this again, then edit again, and then connect this to the middle of this one, and then this one, and then all the other ones to the last one. Another one here, and that's the last one. Then equalize and put the equality display on value. So this is what it turns out like. Let me see what we have here. Let me connect this one with this one. You know, scratch that. Control Z here. You know what? We go here and then we'll delete this. And then let's see what we do next. All right, forget it. Control Z. Let me see how I can get rid of this line here. So I'll select this, go to the edit again, click on this, and let me drag it towards the outside edge. Let's see. All right, Control Z. So I need to get rid of this manually because I mistakenly drew this one on the edge as well. So we click on this one and then drag it towards here and then to the middle of this one as well. We didn't have it for that last one. So then we go here and then this one all the way to the last one and then the outer edge. And then equalize and let's see what it looks like. So because this part has joined up with this one, I need to move it. it's fine for now. We'll just deal with it later on. For now, we just need to adjust the measurements. So I select the distance from this one to this one. It's 0.6. And then we divide all of it to the same 0.6. Or let's see what else. In order to get a better result, let's just hit Ctrl Z for now. Then select beam again. And then I'll draw another one here. Then equalize it, because we don't need them to be more than 60 centimeters. After that, put the equality display on value, and now it looks much better. And then we'll go here and delete this one. All right, let me just see what we can do with this. After we've done that, we'll go here and trim the rest of them using the trim tool. Meaning we connect this edge with this. Let me just select multiple so I don't have to click on each of them. Then we go here and click on this one, this one, this one, and the rest all the way to the end. So I'll see you after